Hello, my name is Kevin Stiles. I work for Custom Charger RV, and today I'm working with Dualform, and we're going to install some skis that they have devised for all our slide outs. So what you want to do is run the room out. Make sure you got plenty of room inside now. Take the jack, the T, and you're going to lift the room up so you can actually see underneath. You're going to take the molding off now. Because it has to sit underneath the molding for sealing purposes. All your skis are going to be different. They're all going to be cut at different angles and different spaces due to what is under the slide room. I've already pre-cut ours. Okay, now that that's on, pull the rubber, slide room rubbers back. Slide this up in where it belongs. And it's just going to set on the bottom. Press it nice and tight. Then what we're going to do is put the moldings back on. Make sure that everything's sealed. Run the room in and out to make sure there's nothing scraping or scratching the floors. That is one reason why you want to put these on, is to keep your floors, especially the linoleum or the parquet flooring that you have now, to keep it from being scratched. Carpet is okay. It's going to slide and make it a lot easier to slide on the carpet as well. This back together. And you're going to take your putty stick and either seal it that is sticking out or needs cleaned. Clean it off real good, and then you want to make sure that you seal that. Put the screw cover back in. Slide that back behind the rubber molding.